Hi, I'm Dustin with 1 Hour Air Fort Worth. The process of removing heat from your home creates condensation, which then drains out of your condensation line. HVAC units in this area can create up to 5 gallons of water per hour, which is why if it backs up, the damages can be severe. Which is why you should have it checked and cleaned consistently by a licensed professional. If we can help you in any way, give us a call at 817-283-6911 or check us out online at onehourairfortworth.com.